Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I just love how soft and luxurious this silk robe is from Ginell. If you've ever had a silk garment before, then you know that there are varying degrees of quality. This one is amazing. It's the finest grade of 100% mulberry silk. It's a 6A grade 19 momme silk, and you can feel instantly that this is really quality. I got the style C, which is silver with cherry blossoms. As soon as I saw that style, I knew it was exactly the one that I wanted. It has a very simple but elegant and beautiful pattern on it. This also comes beautifully packaged with a pouch to put it in and care instructions. Now I choose to hand wash my silk with a little bit of Castile soap, and I just soak it in lukewarm water in my sink, very little agitation, rinse it out carefully, and then I press it between a towel and hang it to dry. I also used my handheld steamer to just gently release some of the creases in it so that it looked its best. I can't express enough how much I love this robe. I actually never want to take it off, so I clean with it. I sit in it when I want to do my work. I wear it around the house all the time. It just feels so good on your skin. If I could wear it every day out and about, I absolutely would, because it is that comfortable. This is one size. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I find it to be loose, but not so baggy that it feels like it's falling off. You cannot go wrong with a silk garment from Ginell. They are the highest quality. They just feel so amazing on your skin. Any of their items would make a perfect gift for someone, or just keep it for yourself for a lot of self-care. You will not be disappointed with whatever you choose to get from them, and that's my point of view.